Hi, I'm Vince Ippolito. I'm President and Executive Chairman here at Botanix. It's a very exciting time to be at Botanix right now, and the team has done a fabulous job of advancing our clinical platform. So today, we're sitting on two phase 2 assets that are going to read out in the next 6 to 9 months, one in acne and the other in atopic dermatitis. Secondarily, over the past month, we have released some very exciting data on the mechanism of action of CBD and really how it works in the skin. And that's helped us validate our clinical platform and other dermatologic conditions that could benefit from CBD. And lastly, we've just completed a very significant raise here led by US investors of $40 million, which will help accelerate our clinical platform that we're studying today. The clinical platform here at Botanix is the use of cannabidiol, or CBD. Now, you can't pick up the newspaper or turn on the television today or drive down your local street and not see a sign for CBD and all the hoopla and things that it really does. We believe that we have a significant clinical platform here that's really meaningful for not only patients but for dermatologists. Here at Botanix, we're following the clinical pathway to study these drugs and get them approved for use through the FDA. The recent funding that we've gotten from our investor community is really going to help us accelerate these programs forward, so hopefully we could bring these medications sooner to market than anticipated. The areas of medicine that we're studying are true unmet needs in acne and atopic dermatitis. Let's take atopic dermatitis, for example. It's often considered a disease of children because it affects about 25% of kids, and 80% of those present before the age of 2. Now, the mainstay treatment in mild to moderate atopic dermatitis, which the vast majority of patients are in, about 90%, are the topical corticosteroids. Well, one of the challenges with topical corticosteroids is you can't use them for long-term continual use, or more certainly in sensitive skin areas. The exciting thing about our platform today is that we hope to bring medications to the marketplace that are not only safe and effective, but potentially could be used long-term and continual for disease management. The Botanix team is really made up of seasoned professionals here, not only in the pharmaceutical industry, but in dermatologic conditions as well. We've had 2 new hires join our Botanix team, both seasoned professionals not only in pharmaceuticals, but great demonstrated success in dermatology. That is Rick Peterson, our Chief Financial Officer, and Howie McGibbon, our Chief Commercial Officer. As I think about the next 6 to 18 months, the 3 biggest potential opportunities that sit right in front of us is really, 1, to successfully complete our phase 2 clinical trials that are ongoing right now. That is, one in acne and one in atopic dermatitis. Secondarily is then, with successful phase 2 in hand, is to turn our eyes on the phase 3 clinical trials to get these drugs approved and to market. And lastly is to continue to attract key talent to our organization as we build our organization clinically and commercially. If I had to send a message back to the Australian investors and supporters, it would be primarily thank you, because these investors and supporters have been with us for 3 years. They've been the people that have really helped us accelerate our clinical platform forward. To them, they've reaped the benefits of great share appreciation and growth, so I'm hopeful that they're very happy in their investments too, but primarily they're the ones that have gotten us here today, so thank you for your support.